how to use Kittl for a clothing brand. So you're gonna go to Kittl.com and sign up. Kittl is a print-on-demand website. So your job is basically just to come up with a design. The easiest way to come up with a design is to use templates. So let's, for example, pick this template right here. It looks pretty good. Now remember, Kittl is the AI design platform. So what we can do is we can type in Drift King, for example. Let's generate that. It's gonna take a while to generate. Let's put this picture here. And let's use AI to remove the background. There you go. Now we can grab this. Now what you need to know is you can zoom in and out by just holding Alt and controlling it with your scroll wheel. And there you go. This can be used as like a shirt design or something. So now we can select the background. We can do the opacity to 0% if you want to place it on an image or something. So again, this is with the opacity, this is without. And now we can download this. Let's export. And here you go. And now you can use this to put it on your clothing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.